Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. It's a great time to start preparing for your vegetable and herb gardens.
If you have an existing garden area, you should add a 3 to 4 inch layer of a good organic mulch or compost and mix it to a depth of 10 to 12 inches.
This will add fresh organic matter and keep the soil fluffy for new fragile roots to grow in. Our Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix is perfect for this job, along with our gold dust starter fertilizer to replenish the nutrients that were used up by last season's plants.
If you do not have an existing garden but you want to start one, here are some helpful tips. The best placement for your garden is on the east side of a building where it can get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight in the morning and shade in the afternoon.
Raised beds or containers are good to grow in because they allow for better drainage. Also, raised beds and containers can be filled with a good quality potting soil like our vegetable and herb planting mix to avoid using our poor native soil.
If you are growing from seed, you can start your seeds in grow trays inside your house or garage. Then, transplant them into your garden when it gets warmer. Now is a great time to check out our seed displays and pick out some different varieties available for this year.
Certain types or varieties of some vegetables are not always available in plant starts at the beginning of the season. For example, items like beans, corn, and peas normally come in only one variety in plants.
So if you're interested in growing any of these specific varieties, you should be looking for seed packets right now to plant. Seed packets offer a much better selection of organic, heirloom, specialty, and newer varieties.
Right now, a huge selection of garden herb and vegetable seeds are available. And most of the warm season varieties of the vegetables and herbs will be arriving in the stores soon.
So plan on getting your garden ready now so it'll be ready when the season starts.
It just takes the right place, the proper preparation, and the right products to get the job done.
For more information on warm season vegetable gardening, get a copy of our Star Notes, number 205 and number 215 at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location and purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for 40 years.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.